Okay, I bought 2 dozen of these foam floating keychains, and each package has 2 of each color. This one's missing 1, so this is the first time I'm going to test it. I have not tested this at all, so let's do it together. Line that up, and here we go. This is on the 5-watt UV laser. And I was hoping this doesn't melt or burst into flames, so we'll see. It's looking pretty good so far. This is the actual speed. Zoom in. I want to get a nice dark color. Let's see it. Well, it's kind of gray, grayish black. Maybe I'll run it again, but not bad for a test.